Meaning of eglantine.
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 Eglantine. Eglantine refers to a type of wild rose with a pink or white flower and prickly stems. The name comes from the Latin word aculeatus, meaning prickly, and is also known as sweetbriar. Eglantine has been used for medicinal purposes in traditional medicine, particularly for its anti-inflammatory properties. It is also commonly used in perfumes and cosmetics for its sweet and floral fragrance. In literature, eglantine is often used symbolically to represent beauty, love, and devotion. Overall, eglantine is a beautiful and useful plant with a rich cultural and historical significance.